In Module 3, we're going to cover the components of a credit card. With credit cards comes various fees and charges. We'll take a closer look at APRs and the various fees you might see on your credit card statement. Let's start with APR. So what is APR? APR stands for annual percentage rate. It is the cost of borrowing on a credit card if you carry a balance each month. For example, if you currently owe $1,000 on your credit card throughout the month and your APR is 15%, you can calculate your monthly interest rate by dividing the 15% by 12 months, which is approximately 1.25%. Then multiply $1,000 times 1.25% for an amount of $12.50. This is the amount of interest you will pay each month if you carry a balance of $1,000. Let's talk about fees. Some credit cards charge annual fees, especially those with rewards. Cards with perks often have an annual fee to accrue airline miles, hotel points, and cash back. Late fees occur when you do not make a minimum payment on time. These fees range from $25 to $50 per occurrence and may increase if you continually pay your bill late. If it is the first time you made a late payment, call your credit card company and oftentimes they will waive the fee the first time. But you must be very vigilant to pay on time after this waiver because they are not going to be so forgiving the second time around. Payment terms are not standard and may differ from one credit card to another. For example, some cards use a 25-day billing cycle versus 30, which means you will receive a bill more often. Some credit cards allow you to pick your payment date. This is helpful if you want to align your bills to be due after you receive your paycheck. Most cards will allow you to set up direct payment from your bank account. This is a great feature to ensure you pay on time, but you also must have enough in your bank account to cover the bill. Finally, even if you have direct payment, it is wise to check your credit card statements each month for any incorrect charges. In conclusion, APR is the interest rate expressed as a percentage you will pay each month on the balance on your card. Most cards have fees, so make sure you understand each fee and when it applies before accepting a card. And finally, often there are many options to consider on paying your credit card, including the date of payment.